Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole. In this video, I would like to explain about the production drawing of a screw jack. This is very important for every mechanical engineering diploma as well as BTech students. The function of a screw jack. Screw jack is also called as a jack screw. It is a type of jack that is operated by turning a lead screw. It is commonly used to lift moderately heavy weights such as vehicles. The ultimate function of screw jack is to lift the heavy weights with the help of a small effort. Let's see this example. This is a lifting the car with the help of a small component that is called as a screw jack. With the help of small effort, by rotating the lead screw of that screw jack, the weight of this total car is lifting up. So this is what the function of screw jack. This is the question given in the production drawing. So in this question it is asking about draw the component drawing views, limits, fits and tolerances, geometrical tolerances, surface finish, process sheet. So this is asked for total 28 marks. Its parts are like first one is body, second is screw, third is cap and fourth one is Tommy bar. These are the four parts are there for this screw jack. Our ultimate task is that component drawing views, means dividing this complete assembled figure into individual parts and indicating tolerate symbols and finding out different type of fits for mating parts and indicating tolerance values, surface finish symbols and values and preparing process sheet. That is our task. This is the answer, first answer, that is component drawings. So dividing that assembled figure into individual parts like this. The parts are body, screw, cup and Tommy bar. This is a Tommy bar, this is the body, this is a screw and this is a cup. Four individual parts. So dividing these individual parts and naming it as component drawings. This is very important. So when we are dividing into equal parts, we need to indicate the same dimensions as per the question. For example, this length is 116 diameter. This should be maintained as per the question. If the question is 116 diameter, then we should maintain only 116 diameter. If it is 120 diameter in the question, that we need to maintain only 120. So we should not change like 1:2 or 1:3 like that. If the question asks that try to change into 1:2 or take as per the suitable scale, means then we can go for the 1:2 scale or 1:3 scale. Process sheet. Next important thing is process sheet. This is very important. Process sheet is nothing but preparing step-by-step procedure and operations required to produce the object. Here we are producing a screw. This is one of the part of a screw jack. First of all, the skeleton of the process sheet is very important. Drawing the table. Above the table, some of the information provided like part number, description, material, size, quantity and time. This all information should indicate above the table compulsory. After that, table should consist of serial number, machine, operation, tools and gauges, setup time and operation time. This is what the skeleton of the process sheet. First important operation is that checking the material size and last one is the inspection. So these two are common for every process sheet. So first of all, checking the material size and last one is inspect the element. And next, fix the job in the chuck and facing the end. Fix the job in the chuck of lathe machine and doing the facing operation with the facing tool. Look at this. Machine is important, operation is important, tools and gauges are important. Next is center drill and support by the tail stack. That is on lathe machine only with the CC drill. Continuous circulation drilling. Next, turning of 36 diameter, 60 diameter and 25 diameter with the turning tool on lathe machine only. Where are these 36 diameter, 60 and 25 diameters? This is 60 diameter and this is 36 diameter and next is 25 diameter. This is 25 diameter. So three different diameters are there. So do the turning operation with turning tool. Next, cut 3 grooves as shown. Grooving is important, so making 3 grooves. This is one groove, this is another groove, this is another groove. So 3 grooves. After that, chamfer at 4 places as shown. Chamfering is very important. This place, this and this. After doing this chamfering, cut the square thread of 36 diameter. This is square thread of 36 diameter as shown in the figure. Next, parting of tool. So with the help of parting of tool, sectioning or parting of the unnecessary objects or unnecessary edges. Next to drilling, drill cross holes of 16 diameter. This is 16 diameter holes, so drilling of cross holes of 16 diameter with a drill bit of 16. Next, heat treatment surface with furnace hardening. Next operation is heat treatment surface, that is with the furnace hardening. Finally, inspecting element with a square nut and vernier calipers. This is all about the process sheet of screw in the screw jack. So every operation is important. For that operation, what machine is required, for that operation what type of tools and gears are required, this kind of information is provided step by step in a process sheet. Next is preparing mating parts and type of fit table. So we know 4 parts are there: body, screw, cup and Tommy bar. So this is assembled figure. First mating parts are body and screw. Body is the first part and screw is the second part. So body and screw are mating together. Its type of fit is medium fit. Body is first part. Look at this. This is the first part and second is screw. Screw is the second part. This inside figure is screw. These two are mating here, that's why it is a mating part. Its type of fit is medium fit. Next is a screw and Tommy bar. This inside figure is screw, this is Tommy bar. These two are mating each other. Its type of fit is precision sliding fit. Like this we need to prepare the type of fit and mating parts table. Next is tolerance symbol. Very important, tolerance symbols. If you observe this figure clearly, here we can see a symbol like a straight line, that is straightness symbol. Here we can see a symbol like perpendicularity. Here we can see symbol like a straightness. So this kind of symbols we can see in any production drawing figure. This perpendicularity symbol indicates that when two lines are perpendicular to each other, means tangent to each other, 90 degrees to each other, then we'll use this symbol of perpendicularity. This straightness symbol is used to indicate the straightness of that particular line. So this kind of symbols are used for tolerancing or surfaces. Next is surface roughness symbols. This is very important. Whenever machining is required, this symbol is used. Look at this, somewhere the triangle symbols are there. Those triangle symbols are nothing but machining operation is required. So this is a triangle symbol. Like this, removal of material by machining is required. For that, this B symbol is used. So like that, if any symbol is there in the answer figure, so that is nothing but surface roughness symbol. This table illustrates about the surface roughness values. We can see 12.5, 3.2, 3.2. So this kind of values are there in the figure. Those values are nothing but surface roughness values. Generally 3.2 indicates reaming, broaching, hobbing, or sometimes die casting, like that. 12.5 indicates that it is drilling, means wherever this kind of drilling holes or doing some surface finishing operations will indicate this kind of surface roughness numbers from this table. Look at this, turning and milling, that is 0.32 to 25, and drilling operation is there with 12.5. So every operation is having some surface roughness value. Those values are very important to indicate in the answer figure. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole.